Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by verifying Windows 10 and choosing a player that supports looping video as wallpaper. Install VLC or a free lightweight wallpaper tool. VLC works without extra drivers. Once done, pick a short MP4 or animated GIF under 50 MB to test performance so your desktop doesn't stutter. Make sure your display resolution matches the video for crispness. Start the app now and keep the video file in an easy folder. This reduces path issues when assigning the file as your background. Next, you'll assign the file as the desktop background. In VLC, go to Tools, Right Arrow Preferences, Right Arrow Video, select DirectX or Direct 3D Output, then play the video, right-click and choose Set as Wallpaper. If using a wallpaper engine, import the MP4 and click Set as Wallpaper. It handles scaling and looping automatically. Once assigned, mute audio and set loop so it won't interrupt you. Make sure the app is set to Start Minimized or with Windows so the wallpaper persists after reboots. To finish, set the wallpaper app to run at startup or create a scheduled task so the video returns after a restart. Confirm the video scales correctly. Change the output mode in VLC or re-export the MP4 at your monitor's resolution if it looks stretched. If you get a black screen, toggle DirectX versus Open GL output or reassign the file. Finally, watch CPU/GPU usage for long clips if performance suffers. Reduce bitrate or use a smaller GIF to keep your system responsive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.